Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to make use of the leftover biscuits at a home. At my home, usually the last 2 to 3 biscuits will always remain in their packets and no one will care to touch it. I don't know the reason why, but it always becomes stale and I used to throw that in the garbage. But instead of throwing it in the garbage, we can make use of it and prepare a very delicious snack for the evening time. So without any delay, let's get into it. So here are some of the biscuits that are left at my home. You can use any biscuits that are available at your home. Even the fresh ones will also do. I have also taken some dry fruits here like pista, cashew nuts and badam. Now take a mixer jar, add the biscuits to it by crushing them into small pieces. And then you can add the dry fruits along with it. After adding the dry fruits, you can add 2 pieces of cardamom to it. Now we are going to make a fine powder of this. Now the biscuit powder is ready. If you have any chunks, please remove it. Now take a pan, add some ghee to it. Make sure the heat is really low. Once the ghee is hot, you can add the powder to the pan and gently roast them until you get a nice flavor of the biscuit and the dry fruits. Once it is done, you can add the jaggery powder. Mix it nicely until everything combines. So this should take around 1 minute for you to mix the jaggery and the powder together. If suppose it is getting crystallized, don't panic. You can again put the mixture in the blender and make it to a fine powder and then use it. The filling is done. You can switch off the flame and allow it to cool to the room temperature. This is the leftover chapati dough. You can also use the fresh dough if you don't have any leftovers. This is the black sesame seeds and some ghee. These are the ingredients we need to make the snack. Now just apply some ghee. Take a small portion of a dough. Now just press it gently. Make sure the sides are thin and the center part is thick. We are going to stuff the powder inside the dough. Just pat it gently. Now take the powder and stuff it inside the dough. Close the edges carefully. You can make any shape of your choice. I am going to go with the square shape, not so exactly the square. Just give it a gentle press and roll it. After this, I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of it. Just press the sesame seeds gently so that it will stick onto the dough and it won't come out while we are frying them. That's it, it is done and we can cook them now. Take a pan, add some ghee to it. We are just going to do a shallow fry. When the ghee is hot, you can add the biscuit boli to it. Yes, you can name it as biscuit boli. And cook it on both the sides until they turn to a nice golden brown in color. As you can see, it is golden brown in color and it is perfectly cooked. That's it, the biscuit boli is ready. You could just cut it into 2 halves and serve it. With the leftover chapati dough and with the leftover biscuits, we can make a very simple and delicious snack for the evening time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try this recipe at your home and share your comments with me. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more recipes. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy and let's spread the love for food.